Hi, in this short lecture, I will talk about string method. Strings are objects, much like the turtle object that you learned already. With the object, each string instance has its own attribute and method, because object has attribute and method. And these are some of the common string methods that we use in this class. Upper, return a string in all uppercase. Lower, return a string in all lowercase. Capitalize, return a string with first character capitalized, the rest lowercase. Find substring, return the leftmost index where the substring item is found, or -1 if not found. Rfind substring, return the rightmost index where the substring item is found, or -1 if not found. Index substring, index is used to very similar to find, but raise an exception when the substring is not found. Typically, we use find or index in a lot of um, program assignment. Split, it will return a list of words in the string using the separator as a denominator at the string denominator. Strip, it will return a string with the leading and trailing white spaces removed. Lstrip, it will return a string with the left trailing spaces removed. And rstrip, it will return a string with the right trailing spaces removed. There may be like a couple dozen more string methods. And you can look at the Python 3 documentation for more information. So let's look at some of these examples here. Um, Here is example I want to show about how to use string, and I have set up PyCharm for that. And I don't want to run this all at once, so I will put a debugger, and I will debug the program so I can do line by line, so you can see the output line by line. So all uppercase string, str is a string, I tag 136 rocks. So string.uppers, open and closing parenthesis. Notice that the open and closing parenthesis had no um, parameter inside. So if I step into my code, all uppercase, I have I tag 136 rocks in all uppercase. Now I'm going to align all lowercase string. So if I run this statement, all lowercase I tag 136 rocks. Find if I tag, the string I tag is in string. So string.find I tags, you will, I'm sorry, the capitalize. Capitalize the string. In this case, I tags, the I in I tag will be capitalized and the rest is in lowercase. And then find, you will find where the I tags, uppercase I tag in the string. And in this case, it will return 0 because 0 is the first index. The I, which is have an index of 0, is the first index where the I test is found. Find if the exponential point in the string. So let's see. I'm sorry, the next one is lowercase I text. So do we find the lowercase I text? Well, the lowercase I text is not in the string because the I text spelled with the uppercase. So the find return -1. What about the exponential point? The exponential point is in the string and if an index of 13. The first exponential point is 13. How about doing rfind, which is found from right to left? From right to left, where is the exponential point? Well, from right to left, the the first exponential point from right to left is index 15, which is the third exponential point here. Split the string. When I split the string, I will have, in this case, I text as it will return a list. The list contains two items or elements, iTag 136 string and rocks with the 3 exponential point string. I can split the string using the C as a denominator, the C in rocks. So if I run this, you will see that it's a C as a denominator. I have an iTag 136 rock and then KS uh, exponential point, exponential point, exponential point. The C is the separator between the two strings. I can chain the lower and split function together. I can do lowercase, make the string all lowercase, and then split based on C, the lowercase c. So let's see, your output going to be RET, because there's a C here, because it's separator, 136 R0, RO, because the C is a separator, and then KS. Take a look how these methods work to help you understand better how to use these string method. What about this one? SS space hello world with the 4 spaces. How to count number of letter L, and then look at how to use the strip to strip some character. Again, I will debug this program so you can see line by line execution. Let me go to the console. How many L's in hello world? Well, it should have three L's. Print asterisk, 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 and then I stripped. Keep in mind, it will strip the white spaces. What that means is these spaces will get stripped off, and then let's see. As you can see, those spaces got stripped off, and then I append the 3 asterisk. L strip is a left strip, so only the left hand side got stripped, and the right hand side space are still there. R strip is a right strip. The right hand side space are gone, but the left hand side are still there. And I can use replace to replace the letter O in hello world. There's a 2 O's there with 3 asterisk. And when I print that, it's a hello, hell with a 3 asterisk. The world, the O is a 3 asterisk. Okay? Try it out. What is the value of the variable cost after the following code execute? Again, I want you able to read the code, understand how the code works, and determine the output. I will reveal the answer during class. How to find the index of letter R in iTag 136 rocks? What do you think? I will give you a hint using the string method. In this case, I can have iTag 136 rocks. This is the string here. Dot find R. It will return the index number for the letter R. How do you convert the string iTag 136 rocks to all lowercase? You should know how to do this, and I will reveal the answer during class.